I want to leave everything behind, not because I hate people, but because I need to find myself. I've spent too much time living for others, trying to fit into a mold that was never mine. I've wasted so much time on nothing, trying to meet expectations that weren't even mine to begin with. And at some point, I realized that this isn't living, it's just existing. But now, I choose myself. For so long, I let the voices of doubt drown out my own. The negativity, the people who couldn't see my potential, I let that affect me. But not anymore. Even if no one believes in me, I do. I believe I will succeed, and I believe that I am capable of so much more than what I've shown so far. I'm done waiting for the approval of others. I'm done seeking validation from people who can't see my vision. I just need to be alone, away from the noise, away from the distractions. I need space to breathe, to think, and to build. This isn't about running away. It's about running towards something better. It's about finding that peace within myself so that I can grow. There are good people in bad situations, but right now I can't carry anyone else. I have to be strong for me. I have to be selfish because I owe it to myself to become the best version of who I can be. This is my time. It's my moment to rebuild, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. I'm choosing to rise from the ashes and become something greater than I ever imagined. I'm not sorry for choosing myself this time. I used to think that taking care of myself meant I was abandoning others. But now I understand that I can't help anyone else if I'm not strong. This is my time to grow, to heal, to rebuild, and to rise. For all of you who feel like you've wasted time, don't give up. I get it. I've been there. You can't undo the past, but you can change the future. Your time starts the moment you decide to fight back. So fight. Fight for yourself, even when it feels impossible. Fight for your dreams, even when they seem too far away. Fight for the person you know you can become. Choosing yourself is the hardest decision you'll ever make, but it's the most powerful one. Walk away from things that drain you, from people who don't see your worth, and from anything that stops you from becoming the person you're meant to be. Even if it feels lonely, remember you are building something amazing. This is your time. This is my time. And we're not going back. We're moving forward with strength, with courage, and with the belief that no one can take away from us. Believe in yourself.